Okay, so I'm in the process of putting a new clutch on my 79 Everest, hoping to correct the problem I was having. Well, at least I think I was having a problem with high engagement RPM. This thing the belt would engage at 4,500 to 5,000 RPM, and I've been told it's supposed to do it around 25 or so, somewhere around there. So I picked up this brand new clutch, so I'm gonna put it on there and see if that helps. So I have a feeling there was an issue with the clutch. So basically I'm just going to it's a pressure fit, or just a slip-on fit, and I've got the there's alignment marks on this clutch. There's one there. I just marked it with a felt. Then the next mark is there and there. So I'm just going to put it on, tighten the bolt down. Okay, that's torqued to 63 foot-pounds. Okay, so here we go. Working on 79 Everest again. I put the new clutch on. Brand spanking new. Now I'm trying to align the pulleys. So I have my 3/8 square rod in here. And you have to get it in between those dimples there, those buttons, to make sure it's flat. So the specifications call for 34 millimeters from the outside of the sheave to this side of the pulley. Here's the picture. So here I'm measuring these two distances. So, and here it says X must never exceed dimension Y, and dimension Y can exceed dimension X by 1.6 millimeters. So I have to turn the book this way to match the pulleys. So here's X and here's Y. Okay, so right now I have the engine pulled all the way towards me, and we'll see what we have here. I've got this set at 34. Okay, so it's too big. Okay, so now we have to push the engine that way. Let's push it all the way. Okay, so now it's pushed all the way. Okay, I'm going to try and put you on the stand, see if I can do this with two hands. Okay, so like I said, I've searched the internet and I couldn't really find this procedure anywhere to do this, so I'm just going off the book. Okay, so I've got the engine all the way back. Okay, so now I just have to pull it towards me. I don't know if there's much movement this way. Close there. See, this is the problem I had last time I tried to do this. There doesn't seem to be any movement in the engine this way. Like in order to twist it, so I had one side it was good, one side was not right. So let me keep playing around with this. So basically just move the motor around until you get the right measurements. So I'm going to keep trying this and then I'll come back to you if I get it right. Okay, so this is 1.6 millimeters. This is the difference you're allowed in the specs from the front to the back of the pulley. It's about the thickness of this cardboard doubled up. So it's not much. So I'm just going to remeasure that pulley again. Okay, so let's do this again. I got 34 millimeters. See how this looks. Just a touch loose, just a hair loose. Let's check this side. And it's not going over the rod. So I don't know how close this really needs to be. Now, who knows, this rod can move. Is it 100% straight? I doubt it. But it does say in the instructions that dimension Y, which is this one, can exceed dimension X by 1.6 millimeters. So here's X, here's Y. So this one can be a little bit bigger, which it is. And it is this is about the thickness of this cardboard. So I think I'm pretty close. Now, this is not rocket science here, it's not the space shuttle, so, but I was having trouble with hot clutches, so let's see what happens. Now I'm going to have to adjust the belt deflection and measure this distance between the pulleys. Okay, so I'm going to check the belt deflection. I have a straight edge here. I have a bungee strap there, so I can do this by myself. So I've got a fish scale, and it's supposed to be 15 pounds. And then you have to measure. I think the max measurement is supposed to be 1.5 inches. So let's put it to 15 pounds. Okay, it's a touch over 1.5 inches. Pretty close. And that is with the chain case already pushed all the way back. So there's no more adjustment there. So the only other thing is the secondary pulley here. I cleaned it. I haven't taken it apart. I'm not sure if this belt is supposed to be flush with the top, or can't find anything in the instructions or the manual about it, at least the manual I have. So maybe I'll get it buttoned up and running and see what happens. Hopefully that new clutch will take care of some of the issues. Okay, I got it all back together. I think it's engaging a little bit better. Before I used to say like around 5,000 it would kick in, 4.5 to 5, but closer to 5. So let's try it.